A major blow has been dealt to the dark web. The U.S. government has successfully seized PopeyeTools, a notorious cybercrime marketplace that fueled illegal activities worldwide. Here's what you need to know. PopeyeTools operated as an online haven for hackers. It offered malicious software and services that enabled cyber theft and fraud. Buyers could purchase ransomware kits, phishing tools, and more, all with the click of a button. To attract buyers, PopeyeTools allegedly promised to refund or replace purchased credit cards that were no longer valid at the time of sale. In addition, PopeyeTools provided customers with access to services that could be used to check the validity of bank account, credit card, or debit card numbers offered through the website. This takedown was no small feat. The U.S. Department of Justice and law enforcement agencies worldwide collaborated for months to dismantle this illegal marketplace. Prosecutors have announced charges against its administrators, who now face severe legal consequences. But here's the reality. PopeyeTools is just the tip of the iceberg. Cybercrime marketplaces like this are a growing threat. They enable everything from data breaches to identity theft. Protect yourself online. Use strong passwords. Avoid suspicious links. And think twice before sharing sensitive information. Cybercrime thrives on negligence. Stay safe. Stay informed.